In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip multiple perks in Attack on Titan Revolution. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, if you go over to your equipment in Attack on Titan Revolution, you will be able to find the perks, but you will notice that you should only have one slot when you start a new character. And you might have noticed that other people have multiple perks. So how do they do it? How are they able to get more perk slots? As you can see, they have offense slots, defense slots, and support slots. Well, to get these, you actually have to go over to the skills. So when you visit the skill tree, you will be able to browse through all of them here. And if you scroll down, eventually, you will be able to find these new slots. So as you can see, here's an example, offense perk slot. By choosing this and using the necessary amount of gold, and other currencies, you will be able to get it. So for this one, it costs 1,850 gold and 5 of this currency here at the bottom. And you will be able to unlock an extra offensive perk slot for versatile options. Of course, you will also be able to find other perk slots. So for example, here is the support one. The price is basically the same, and this one unlocks an extra perk slot. You should also be able to find the defense one if you keep scrolling down, but this can differ from family to family. Regardless, all that you have to do to get these multiple perk slots is to go down on your skill tree, and you will be able to find them scattered all over. When you choose any of them, you will unlock the perks. Now sadly, I will not be able to demonstrate this process on screen because my character is a newbie and I don't have any currency available, but if you do, you will be able to purchase them from your skill tree, and then you will be able to equip the perks to their respective slots over here. It is simple to do, but like I said, it is going to cost you a lot of time, experience, and currency. So just unlock them from here and you will be able to equip multiple perks. I hope I was able to help you on how to equip multiple perks in Attack on Titan Revolution. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.